So here at the museum, Keltbray have been awarded 3 projects. Each of these 3 contracts have spanned over 4 years. And what this has enabled us to do as a business is to reflect the different skills that we can offer, from demolition business to a concrete frame business, and stitched in between all of those elements has been Wentworth House.
So at Wentworth, we pride ourselves for being on hand and flexible to our clients' needs. Here, the main challenge was the coordination and helping Keltbray deal with interface between different trades.
So one of the key challenges, you've got 2 buildings. The 1860s general market had been left derelict for probably 15 to 20 years. So one of our big roles when we first came to the building was to make it safe. We had to put lots of temporary works in place to make sure structure was safe for us to go in and do surveys. But as we started the works, we found old vaults that we never knew existed. We found parts of old train tracks and turntables. And a lot of the architectural salvage was very, very important for the museum. In a lot of instances, we repaired, replaced, renewed elements. So a lot of it was all about discovery and trying to inform the design to enable the designers to go away and to stitch in the new construction with the old.
Regarding environmental initiatives, all the timber that we remove from all the units, we test it, and then if it's fit for purpose, we reuse it. The same with the brickwork, the same with all the debris that we remove from the site.
Collaboration of Keltbray on this project has been excellent all the way through. It's been really good to work with all their different members of the team. They've got a very integrated approach, which has been really collaborative all the way through.
So a project of this nature requires everybody to work as a team. Keltbray, alongside our design team and our other contracting teams, have co-located within a project office on site to ensure that the goals of the museum are achieved.